Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI effectively. We'll start by understanding its core capabilities, which are essential for any task. Then, I'll show you how to craft clear and concise prompts, a crucial step for getting the best results. Finally, we'll cover refining your queries to achieve very specific outcomes, ensuring you maximize Gemini's potential. Let's dive in. To truly master Gemini, focus on effective prompting strategies. Start by using specific keywords. They act as powerful guides for Gemini's responses. For more complex requests, always provide ample context and clear examples. This helps Gemini understand your intent much better. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompt structures. You'll find that slight variations can lead to significantly improved outputs. Practice makes perfect here. Beyond basic prompting, explore Gemini's advanced features. Leverage its multimodal capabilities by providing diverse inputs like images or audio for richer interactions. Utilize follow-up prompts to refine and expand your conversations, guiding Gemini towards more detailed or specific answers. Consider integrating Gemini with other tools to create enhanced workflows, automating tasks and boosting your productivity. These steps will elevate your AI experience. To maximize your productivity with Gemini, always review and iterate on its outputs to ensure accuracy and relevance. Don't just accept the first answer. Refine it. Save your most useful prompts. This creates a valuable library for future reuse, saving you significant time. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay focused and productive. Keep exploring Gemini's potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.